Oh boy. Yeah, lady. Hey, kid. He's dodging the drop. He's trying.
You're not doing too good.
He hit every one of them.
Rain.
We got big storms back home.
Oh, I heard.
So everything got watered real good.
That's good. I told you we didn't have to worry about it.
Yeah. Look at the water coming over here.
Where?
Coming down that downside, you take a shower.
Oh, I could. All I need is some soap and shampoo.
Yeah.
I would do that. I think it'd be pretty cool. I always wanted to try that.
Like at a waterfall, like out in the woods.
We're starting to flood a little bit.
Yeah.
Wasn't there a drain right there?
I don't know. That's what I was just looking for.
That's not good.
Nope.
I swear it was a drain there.
Back up right up to here. We may have to move our location.
Putting a flight on. Of course, I'll bring my sandals. You're in the car.
Run back and get them and put them on.
It's starting to flood.
Steven playing around in the flooded water.
This is a drain underneath me. This is a drain.
Can you feel it?
It's up past here. On my ankle. I had to take my shoes off.
You can go walk over. Look at that. Look at the can.
People are looking at us. I'm gonna fall in.
Look at all that down there.
I know.
Look at it down there.
We had to walk across it. Look at my feet. Now I'm walking barefoot.
We'll get your sandals in the van. Oh, there's our band.
Where?
Straight ahead, our band.
Ah.
The music band.
Oh, we gotta see the band. Wear my Penguin shirt.
Hold on.
There's all Philadelphia people here too. I hate Philadelphia.